as artillery can easily give away their position after firing. The best tactic is often a shoot and scoot, with surveillance making sure there isn't a threat in the area. As this Russian 2S-19 Msta-S self-propelled howitzer did none of this, a Ukrainian drone spotted the artillery while firing. As the self-propelled system carries ammunition inside, it becomes very vulnerable for an attack, as it has very little armor, mostly only for small arms and smaller fragments. But as this Ukrainian drone carries a shape-charged warhead, which easily penetrates through, the reaction is quick as it hits the ammunition, obliterating the system, destroying another of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.